The family has arrived in Louisiana, where we're going to be spending the next couple of weeks, and my mom is joining us from Canada. This is going to be her first experience at an RV resort. I'm really excited for that. But more so, we are about an hour from Nolens, New Orleans, the place of flavor and liveliness. We've been once, and I can't wait to go back at least a couple of times over here.
We've made it to Louisiana, and we're staying at Sen Outdoors in Ponchatoula, just a 1-hour drive to the vibrant New Orleans. This resort has both full hookup sites and luxury cottages. You can't be bored here. There's a whole lake for water activities, a tiki swim-up bar, family pool, cabanas, mini golf course, fitness center, lakeside grill, arcade, playground, sports area, amphitheater, and our personal favorite, a lazy river.
I'm not gonna lie, when I first got in here, it didn't feel too lazy. It was pretty cold, but now I'm feeling amazing. The sun is so nice, shining on my face. Woo. How's that feel, Papa?
It's nice. It's a little chilly at first, but once you hit that sunshine, it's nice. Here comes the sun. Oh yeah.
We are spending the day in New Orleans today. It's located about just over an hour from our RV resort. And we've been to New Orleans before, so we've been there twice. This is our third time going down there, and it's just so much fun. There's great food, of course. New Orleans is known for their food. Just very unique, creative, interesting characters everywhere. Great shopping, and there's the ocean. Yeah, it's pretty much endless.
Music.
Hello. Music. New Orleans is all about music. We're walking down Bourbon Street right now, and all of the streets in this area are just so cool, so interesting. You can tell they hold so much history. Each building has so much character and color, and I love the terraces. They're so beautiful. It kind of reminds me, actually, it's New Orleans. It's Nolens. It doesn't remind me of anything else. It's just very Nolens.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it really good or a little bit good?
Water.
A lot of good. Oh yeah.
Did you really come to New Orleans if you didn't get a beignet? You didn't. Facts. At Café du Monde, of course. It's Halloween weekend, but the Halloween festivities start a little earlier here in the resort. It started at the beginning of October, so this is actually our third time trick-or-treating because we've been here for 3 weekends. But I think today is a little bit more special because it is officially Halloween weekend. Ain't it? And that means more chocolate for me. I mean for Kai, sorry.
never seen Halloween celebrated with so much enthusiasm, so much soul. Like almost every single person is dressed up, having fun, or they dressed up their trailer and RVs to be haunted houses and to be like an experience for when you come by. Even as a kid, like never in my life did I experience it this wholeheartedly. And it puts everyone in a festive spirit. It makes it exciting to be celebrating Halloween.
It's scary. Did you get a little scared? Yeah. Oh. So Kai came in with a big bag of candy and went straight for the artichokes. That's my girl.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Hopscotch Roadmap. Be sure to watch the next episode where our family road trips to a new destination. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos.